4 ways to protect your tile and grout surfaces. Dear friends, over the next decade, the tile grout industry is projected to grow annually at a rate of 6.8%, which shows how important tile is for the building and construction sector. As a homeowner, you want to make sure your investment is protected. Whether the culprits are wearing and tear, moisture, or neglect, protecting your tile and grout surfaces is key to maintaining both the beauty and integrity of your home. Let's take a look at 4 effective ways to safeguard your tile and grout surfaces. 1. Sealing regularly, the foundation of protection. One of the most effective ways is through regular sealing. Over time, grout can absorb moisture, leading to discoloration and weakening. Sealing creates a protective barrier, preventing liquids and dirt from penetrating the porous surface of the grout. The frequency of sealing depends on factors such as foot traffic and the type of tiles you have, but as a general rule, we recommend resealing every 1 to 3 years. 2. Routine cleaning. A small effort with big impact. Regular cleaning is a fundamental aspect of tile and grout maintenance. However, it's not just about the frequency, it's also about the cleaning products you use. Avoid harsh chemicals that can erode the grout and damage the tiles. Instead, opt for pH-neutral cleaners specifically designed for tile and grout surfaces. A mixture of mild soap and water is a safe and effective option for day-to-day cleaning. Additionally, don't forget to sweep or vacuum regularly to prevent dirt and debris from accumulating on the surface, which can scratch and dull the tiles over time. 3. Investing in quality doormats. Keeping dirt at bay. Prevention is often the best form of protection. Placing quality doormats at entry points can significantly reduce the amount of dirt and debris that enters your home. This prevents abrasive particles from scratching the surface of your tiles and grout. As well, regularly cleaning doormats and floors is important, given how microbes can travel in the air and land on other surfaces and impact your health negatively. 4. Addressing grout repairs promptly. Small fixes, big impact. No matter how vigilant you are, wear and tear can still take a toll on your tile and grout. When you notice cracks or gaps, you want to address them promptly. Ignoring these issues can lead to more extensive damage, requiring costly repairs or even tile replacement. Snag a high-quality grout sealer to fix small cracks and gaps, and regrout areas that show signs of significant wear. By tackling repairs promptly, you not only maintain the aesthetic appeal of your surfaces but also prevent potential water damage that can occur when moisture penetrates compromised grout. Protecting your tile and grout surfaces is not only essential for maintaining a visually appealing home but also for preventing costly repairs in the future. By incorporating these 4 simple yet effective strategies, regular sealing, routine cleaning, investing in quality doormats, and addressing grout repairs promptly, you can keep your tile and grout surfaces in optimal shape. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.